And it's not just in a one-on-one fight. When you look at, say, a large power like the United States fighting in Vietnam or the Soviets in Afghanistan, you get stuck in a guerrilla war where the enemy can hide easily. They can actually cause major problems for a force that's much stronger. I mean, the Soviet Union went bankrupt after Afghanistan.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, it's a truth that, and it's really interesting to see the yin yang symbol in the context of fighting.
Well, the Art of War, which was written by Sun Tzu, it really uses a lot of the Chinese philosophy of yin and yang. So definitely, without a doubt, it's in there. And Art of War is required reading for all generals, all military soldiers, right? At West Point and other military academies, definitely.